to the show tonight. It is the fascinating world of binary options with my good friend Todd, who is there in a blanket, looking like a. I mean, dude,
Dude, we keep the house like 68 degrees.
why?
You know, we're
Oh,
like,
it's like summertime.
I know, but we keep the house like we're Eskimos or something. You know, just so that
Why?
because it's hot outside, but then it gets freezing cold in here. Sometimes I go out to the garage just to stay warm. I'm dead serious.
You're insane.
So I
You
had to
know
go
that
from,
costs money, right? Like to run your air conditioner that cold,
but
like all
we
day.
got plenty of it. We're here to win it.
All right, all right. Well, you got plenty of money. You're here to win it.
Do you have anything you want to share with the group, or
No, I
no?
don't. No, I don't want to share anything with the group.
Okay.
No.
Okay. I just
Uh,
wondering.
what I want to do is just rely on you
All
wholly
right. So you
and
want to go one or two?
$2.
Okay.
Right? Is that
That's where I'm at. But I just wanted to know: do you want to go there, or do you want to?
let
Do
me
you
see here.
want
I'm trying to let me do the math. 381 times point times point oh oh one. No. It's $2. You're about at the $2 level. You should be
to? Okay. That's
should
what
be
we've been doing. So I just, we haven't gone that deep, but I wanted to make sure.
Yeah, I mean we're gonna do $2 trade. Let me change this over here. 248. So I guess if you get all the way to the end, you're gonna lose $300. And I guess that's not gonna happen. So guys, we're gonna start the show. We're gonna be trading live binary options, and it's gonna be rocking. So let's start the show. All right, there it is. I'm looking at Todd's screen. Hopefully, you guys are looking at Todd's screen. And we're
Are
doing
you
two
linked
dollar
to
trades.
me or no?
Oh, whoa, yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Hold on a minute. I got a link to you. Good thing you said that. Good thing you said that, my brother.
So I'm about to crush it here.
Well,
So
don't be doing it yet. Hold on a minute.
I'm waiting on you.
list of copy traders. Okay, I gotta copy you. Copy trader. Copy Todd. Okay, copy 100%. I'll confirm 100% copied. All right. Um,
All right, you copied now.
yeah. So we need to we need to make about $10 today.
Okay,
Um,
I can do it. We'll go from about 381 to 391 or so.
yep. You're gonna go to 391 is your goal. Not
What's
that
my
we
goal
have to
here? I
do that.
wonder if this is going to go back down.
CHFGPY.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. I tend to think that it's going to go down, but I don't know.
Yeah. Let's see.
I'm going to put
Yeah.
it from up here.
Yeah, I
I
think
think
so,
this is
dude.
going to go back down. I don't think it's going to stay there. I tend to think that that's going to go down. I could be wrong.
No, I think you might be right, dude. I'm looking at it in 5 minutes, and I'm not going to do that a lot, but I think I just looked at it because I do think that it's kind of heading back down to a line. It's really pointless to look at different time frames when you're doing 30-second trades, kind of, because I mean it's kind of like the moment. It's the moment that matters. Oh, okay. I'm copying you, so that's actually good. Okay,
Well, I
close.
wanted to take it when it was up there, but it's not. Now I'm thinking about taking it again because I still think it's going down.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I'd wait. Yeah, do what you want, man. You just do what you want. I'm the math
Well,
guy.
see, I was off by just a few seconds there.
Yeah, you were. And was it because you were waiting for a candle to end or something? Or
No, I took it when it was up at the top of that
oh, okay.
green wick, but it dove down before I hit the
So
button.
now it did break down here. You think you're gonna get another couple candles heading
I
down?
tend to think maybe so. I'm gonna enter on the next candle, but
All right. It's trying to break through, unless it consolidates. You know what I kind of hate is consolidation. I don't know, because
yeah, I do
the way
too.
we trade anymore, it's all about, like a push down. Okay, so all right, I got to get focused because your next trade is $4.
Hmm.
And now since I'm following you, I can actually just look at my screen instead of looking at yours on the thing.
What's wrong with
Um,
mine?
Well, it's just a grainier and smaller. Yeah, I would take another one, dude. I would go in 4 because it's unless it's gonna do a full pullback. But I think it's, yeah. I mean, I mean, I can be jealous. I can just sit here and be jealous of how good you are at this.
I'm not. I'm not necessarily good at it. I don't. Neither of us know what the heck this is gonna do. Are you serious? We don't know. We don't know what.
Yeah,
this
I
is
guess
gonna
we kind of win this by just
do. There is
probability.
nobody that knows what this is going to do.
Well, that's true. How come so many people act like they do though? You know, oh man, that was so close.
Because they just do. I don't know. The people that act like that are stupid. Because when it loses, then they always think they know why it lost too. But then when it wins, they act like they had it all together and they knew why it was. I think I want to take this next one here. I still think this is going down.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's breaking through the RSI, so if it ends up going down, then then it's going down. It's kind of a jumpy chart, to be honest. It's got a lot of wicks and a lot of small candles. I don't see any I do think it is going down. I think it's just having a hard time getting there, which scares me because it keeps kind of rebounding. This could still win though.
Could.
It's like, come on, baby, come. Oh, geez, see,
Nope,
I see.
jumped the wrong way. All right,
See,
I'm off this chart.
It's kind of bouncing around.
I'm off of it.
I'm gonna go look for some other charts.
I'll find a good one here. No worries, I got this.
What was that? What was that?
What's what?
CHFJPY. Okay. I need to find some.
CHFJPY looks like crap. Oh, is that where we were just?
That's
on?
where we were, and it seems like it wants to go back up now. But I think, odd NZD might be going to the white line. Actually, I don't know. I mean, it's really high. It's got up there pretty high. Slowly moving back down.
Yeah, it's kind of spent, really.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it
Whatever
is
you
or not.
think. I'm just giving you some ideas. I don't have any idea.
No, that's a good idea.
I mean,
Really, CAD CHF looks like it could break through here and go up. I don't know if it's going to consolidate or go back up, but I'm going to take a chance because I think it's going up.
oh yeah.
That might have been a good call there. I don't know. We'll find
So
out.
it went like way up there, then it was shot way down to the basement, then it shot way back up at the top.
It looks
That's
like
interesting. Those two big candles there. What does that mean? It means it had a ton of down pressure, then just immediately a ton of up pressure following
I don't know
that.
if I should take this again, but I think
Yeah.
I'm going to.
Yeah, go ahead.
My
follow
other
your-
one wasn't.
follow
My other
your
one
gut,
wasn't
man.
quite expired because I got in a little late, but now
But
it
yeah,
is.
that's actually pretty good because it looks like it is kind of heading up. And it's only thing is it's reaching a line now, so it could bounce back down off this line.
And probably will.
I don't know that it had a lot of up pressure. What do you think about those two big giant candles? What do you think about that? What do you think? It just shows like a war, like a real big down push, then a real big up push.
I think that it's done that a couple places here.
Yeah, and then it kind of goes back down, then it goes all the way up, and then down, then up. This one's got a lot of kind of jerky movement in it too.
Either way, it lost. So that's how many losses? 1, 2,
Um,
3, 4, 5, 6 losses.
I only count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only count 4 losses.
No. Lost 1, then lost the. Okay, lost the compound.
You only have 4
Loss.
losses.
Okay.
Yeah, you only have 4. You only have 4 losses right now.
Okay. Okay, I'm looking at CHFJPY, which looks like a hot mess, but
Yeah, it does. Dude.
I was wondering why I was even.
Why, yeah. Well, I mean, if it breaks below here, it's been in this kind of area for a while, and it's kind of been going up and down in that area. It just broke down. but now it's bouncing back up. So when is it going to decide to make a move? It's made a move. It's had some moves, but now it's just like
Okay, I'm on Euro GBP.
okay, that was a good call because for me, I mean, it went down to the green, went down to the white line, and then it bounced back up.
Rejected and went back up,
Yeah,
and now it looks like it's just going
And
up from here.
it probably is going to go back up from here. I'd say you could re-enter if you're going to.
That's my plan.
Yeah, I'd just go for it. I mean, I got burned a bunch on these the other day because they would like jump up and then retreat like this, and I was trying to do next candle color, and they would kind of like retreat. Okay, so
if
this
it breaks this line, we are gold here.
Okay, this line, it bounced off that line. It bounced off that line right there.
Is
it
it
hit
keep...
it. But then again, I think it has. It wants to go
Okay, it's
through.
gonna break. It's gonna break,
Yeah,
buddy.
I would go ahead and just
I think we may
take it whenever
have-
it dips. Yeah.
Boom, right there. If it goes up, we've got our third win. And so
If it goes up, baby. All right. If it goes up, and then I don't know where my phone went. Okay, here it is. Come on. It kind of bounced off that line, and I think it might. This one has potential right here.
It's still pulling up, dude. It's still pulling up. We
This
could
one
have
has
our third
potential.
win here.
Let's see. What is this going to be? 16.
Come on,
Eight,
come on,
16,
come on.
16. Oh,
Come
I
on,
have to
come
watch
on.
your
Dang it. Are you
57,
freaking serious right now?
65.
Dang it. Okay. Well, that didn't work.
Well, now it's going to consolidate on this line. So go back to a 2.
That's where I'm at. Yeah.
Go back to a 2.
That's
all right.
That started off so nice too. But
Yeah, I mean that was a good position. Now it's consolidating on this top line. So let's see. Do we think it's gonna continue from here? Like, do we think
No.
it's gonna? No, I think it's gonna head back down probably.
it's like totally spent here.
Oh, CAD CHF, dude. CAD CHF is broke the white line.
I'm on
been
Euro
heading-
Euro USD, but let me go to CAD CHF here.
Okay, Euro USD.
Uh.
It's just weird because I don't know if it's if it's gonna turn around. It might now, because it kind of spent through. Like, it might head back up to the white line. It could keep going back down, but it kind of like got a pretty good position down there. It's been going down and then up. It's at its lowest point. The only problem with some of these charts is like, are they gonna bounce around and then go back up?
Well, it looks like this one. I took your move there, but I think it could consolidate. I don't know. Or keep going down.
Well, it looks like it might be consolidating at this point.
Well, that's another loss. Okay, I'm going back to where I was before you pulled me back over there to lose
Where were
a
you
trade.
at? Euro CHF.
You,
Where were you at?
I think I was on Euro USD, but I can't remember now. I'm kind of off of it.
Oh, Euro GBP is. Huh.
I don't know. Now I can't remember where it was, but Euro JPY looks like it's an RSI touch right now. So I don't know if it's gonna win or what it's gonna do, but if it's gonna keep going.
Man.
How many losses am I at right now?
I don't know, like six or 7. I'll tell you.
I'm gonna try this. I don't know if it's still going up, but it looks like it could be okay.
This only 6 losses. I guess I could keep track of them here. I usually don't keep track of.
Well, that didn't work. Add that to the list. Okay, I'm off that chart.
7.
I'm also thinking I might go for wins one by one, but here we go. Okay, this looks good. Go to USD CNH. Well, that's a big candle, but it looks like it can keep climbing.
It broke through. You know, these patterns are kind of interesting tonight. They're kind of going. They're sweeping up and then down, up and then down. That swept up and then down.
You think I should go for another one? That's a lot.
No. I don't think so. I mean, if that one wins, even.
It didn't win. But
Yeah.
okay.
But like, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think it.
I think it's gonna go down though. But I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I think. But it has an RSI break, and it might keep going back up. But I mean, it's due to go down. But like, the pressure is not down necessarily.
No.
You know.
Tempted to take a put up here though.
Yeah, I would too. I'm kind of tempted to. If I were you, that's what I would do compared to.
I'm gonna go for it because I think it could go down here.
If it goes down and you could get 3 or 4 candles, see that statistics, historically it's been doing that. It's been going up and then breaking back down. The RSI is broken way out. There's nothing above it. I mean, it's just way up there. But in general, that's what it's doing. It's going up and then pulling back. You know, you could take another put up here because it is going to turn around.
We're still on the $2 level.
Yeah, still on the $2 level. There you go, 360. Yeah, that's your last $2 trade.
Is it gonna fall from here?
I don't know. I think so. I think it's kind of reached the level. If it breaks above that wick, then it'd be saying we're in trouble. Man, you were right about this, dude. You were totally right the first freaking time.
I'm gonna say it's going up.
Okay, you didn't change your amount.
$4?
Oh, because you're on the $4 level. Yeah, okay. You're on the $4 level.
But now it probably really is due to. But we're gonna
I
see.
don't know. I don't know. I mean, charts like this can go up for a long time. You know, they just kind of bounce back a little bit and then they just start going up. If it breaks that top, if it breaks that previous
Should I
wick,
re-enter? Yes.
yeah, I would re-enter. If it breaks that, especially if it breaks that, it didn't break that previous wick, but still, yeah.
And now it's gonna go down. Now it's dropping big time. All right, we might get our wins here though.
Okay, you going to a $4 and taking a
Yep.
taking a
Taking
put?
You better believe I am.
That's a pretty big engulfing candle. Okay. So it climbed up. I guess if it turns around right here, you could get a pretty good set of wins. Let's watch this candle and think about it. I mean, it's going down and pushing up. Come on, baby. What do you think? You think it's still going?
Hard to say. I don't know that I'll re-enter.
Yeah.
But well, I don't know. No, I didn't win it.
Yeah, crap. All right, you're on $4.
Yeah, I just don't know what it's gonna do. Sometimes I hate trying to win 3 in a row on the same chart.
Well, you don't have to. I mean, if you get a good win, you don't have to re-enter. You don't have to re-enter. I mean, you know.
All right, I'm off that chart.
Man, I'm seeing some movement. We're getting some turnarounds tonight. We're getting some candle pressure, but we're missing it. We're not getting in on the right ones.
Look at USD JPY. This is going up.
I guess, yeah. What makes me nervous is these giant candles, you know?
Right.
That's like that candle in one candle moved a whole giant way. Like, and is that it? Is its pressure spent, or is it really going to go up to the top there?
That worries me too, but I feel like it's going to go to the top.
If it goes
I
to
don't
the
know.
top, I mean, then yeah, I mean, it could. It could go to the top. Just re-enter when it goes. I mean, it looks like it's going. You know, it's like if you get a good push, because I've been looking at charts in the back history, and I'm like, yeah, there's a great push right there. It's like if you just get on one of those pushes, then you get on it. But it's like it just pushed up so hard, and it
And
just turns around.
fell as hard as it went up.
It just doesn't have any. All right, you're on $4. Yeah, I don't know. It's going back to the white line again. I'm gonna look for some RSIs that look
Oh,
like. Oh,
I want to. What?
well, go ahead. I'm gonna look for some RSIs that are gonna break. Cause
I want to look at stocks. I like stocks. You
oh,
don't
dude,
like stocks.
Euro GBP. Look at that real quick though.
I'm not a big fan of currencies.
Look at Euro GBP. It's about to break, but it's been going up for a long time. You know, I'm not sure it's breaking or not. But you just okay? Did you get it on the intro of that candle? Yeah.
I did.
Okay.
Actually, I got a little bit below it. It kind of jumped up, but is this
See,
what
this-
you wanted? You want to call on it, or you wanted to?
Yeah, I was thinking if it broke through, I was thinking a call. I mean, I wasn't sure, but I was just looking at it like it looked like that RSI was going to break through. I was kind of nervous because it was so high already, but dang it, mother. All right.
All right, I humored you. Now I'm gonna do it my way.
Dude, I didn't tell you to take a trade there. I was just telling you to look at it, and then you just traded on it. Like what
You told me to.
No, I said look at Euro GBP. It looks like it's about to break through, and then all of a sudden you just entered a trade.
Yeah, well,
Don't
because
humor me. You're the one that's pushing the buttons. I'm not going to tell you anything else, because I'm like I've lost a lot of my confidence this past week. So I'm
I
not.
know. Yeah, you have. That's okay. That's why
I
I'm
mean,
here.
I'm just. Don't listen to me. I'll just tell you about the money. I mean, you just need
Okay.
to You just need to win some 3 series, dude.
It's easier said than done sometimes.
You really haven't been here in a while. She said, "Oh, time to cut my hair, snip." And now I have to shave it for every competition. You didn't.
Yeah, I mean, personally, I don't trade a lot on next candle color just because of this bouncy stuff. I look for the bounciness, and I just take the low bounce or whatever, you know. But I mean, you'll get it. I think you're gonna get it. I mean, I hope you're gonna get it.
Doing the best I can here.
I mean, that looks.
I don't know.
Do you think if that?
Dang it.
How could that be? How could that be? Yes. Oh.
No.
Oh, you got
Oh
it.
crap!
You got
Yeah,
it.
we
you
did
got
get it. Okay.
You
All
got
right.
it. But I'm not so sure that this ain't gonna go back up. It's because it rejected on that line there. I don't know
Let's-
though. It looks like it's going down too, but it's such a freaking huge candle. I'm so
was-
nervous about.
I wasn't about to re-enter on that. Well, number one, I didn't even know that I was going to win it. But number two, okay.
Yeah, I mean, like right now, it's like I don't know what to
Right
do.
now it's at the white line, and I am not about to chance that. But I don't know. This could go down for a while.
I mean, this chart has been breaking the white line every time, but
It
and it's
has.
got
Yeah.
but it's also at a pretty good, and it's also got some bounce to it, so it could bounce right back up. You just really don't know on this one. It's already been going down so long too. I mean,
It's also at 89%.
yeah, it's been going down a long time. Yeah,
So I'm going to get off of it because it doesn't have the
yeah.
payout
Look at
that I
it.
want.
Look at it. Just getting ready to go back up.
Yeah, I'm already off of it. Boeing. Boeing does not traditionally break through the RSI, but it might this time. It's got a lot of force
Massive
upward,
candle.
and I'm going to take it up because I feel like it's going to go up. It looks like it's going to go up. It's showing that it's going to go up, but
What did she do? I went like this and I slid this and my foot like hit the cap.
okay. What's my next one? 16.
16.
I hate taking a $16 trade. Do you think this is this worth re-entering? Yes
I
or
don't
no?
know. I don't think so because it's touching the RSI. I mean, unless you were to get it on a dip, I would wait till it dips because it's dipping quite a lot. And like I would just be patient because if it breaks the
Oh,
RSI,
dang, I would have won that.
yeah, but you might still because now it just broke the RSI. So if you wait for a dip, you probably could still just enter on a dip. Like any of these dips, like
I
down,
don't
like
know, dude. I'm not confident in this thing. I feel like this is going to go back down as fast as it went up.
it could. It broke. The RSI just broke. Don't do it now though, because we do that. We think about it too much, and then by the time we actually do it, it goes down. You're on borrowed time right now.
Right.
You're on way borrowed time because it does have the appearance of going back down. So if I was doing anything, I'd be taking it while it was red.
Would you take a put or
No,
a
I'd take a call when it got down there when it got
Do
red.
you still think it's going up though?
Yeah, because the RSI is breaking.
No, that don't mean nothing. It could break for a short
Well,
time.
it could. Yeah, you could wait till it has an engulfing candle and just take it red because when it turns around, it's going to go down pretty good. But it still doesn't know. I mean, it could break and go three more.
Look, see,
green.
it's hesitating right now.
Yeah, it is hesitating. So I mean, if
I
it,
don't
if
think
it
it's
jumps up one
I
more
don't-
time, put it. Like if it jumps up to that candle wick, put it up there. I mean, I would like put it now. Like that's what I would do. 16, kank, right there. So that's as high as it's been, and it rejected off that twice. But that's the only thing I would do. I mean, if you were gonna put it, because it's
Crap.
no, it could still. You got a good position. It tried to get above there. I'm hoping it wins. I'm hoping it turns around and wins, because I think your instinct was right about this. Yeah, your
Oh,
instinct
yeah.
was right,
Okay.
and my instinct was right too, getting it on that jump. But dang it!
Nope.
See, I told you, dude, the RSI is breaking, and this is just this chart. Now I would not do anything else on this because.
Well, when it turns, it's going to turn for several candles, I think. But I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, I know, but look at how many green. That's just uncrazily amount of green candles. I was with you on that. I thought, surely ain't gonna have that many more.
Yeah,
And it
I
struggled
thought
right there.
It struggled. That's what.
And your position was like perfect.
I think
dude.
I'm gonna. I don't know. I feel like putting it right now.
Well, go ahead. Yeah, out of 4. Yeah, put it at a 4. It's gonna turn around. I mean, that's a big candle, dude. That's got to be going back down. I thought it was going to go back down when you did too, because it was kind of petering out and it was pulling back.
I thought so.
Now it's cricked really hard. Now it would just re-enter, unless we think it's going to consolidate. I guess if it engulfs. Either way, I'd probably just go ahead and put it again. You got an $8 trade. It's gonna go back down. I mean, you can do it if you want to. I don't know. It's not like to me, this is if this one breaks this bottom of this green one, it'll be an engulfing candle and it'll be heading on back down. I don't know. Let's watch and see what this looks like it's going to do. It might.
If we win it big, I'll enter again. If we don't, if it looks close, then
You could wait till the pop up because it's going to pop up again. Or you can just call this an engulfer and take it. I mean, that did engulf and it popped back up. Okay. See, I'm not telling you what to do, but sometimes I wait for it to pop back up, and then if I think it's going
well,
down.
here's the deal. I got it right on the line. So
Yeah,
right at the
you
close
did.
of the candle. So
You
if
pretty
it's
much
going to be,
nailed it.
if it's going to be a red candle, it's going to be a winner. So
Come
we
on,
shall
baby.
see.
We need a good win right here because you're at 334. You're still in the middle of this level, so yeah. Okay, good job. Good job to you. Good job to you.
okay, I
hope
think we
it's-
got it, bro. We got it. Boom.
All right, good. All right, let me tell you where
Yeah.
you're at.
364. So we're back at the $2 level, aren't we? Or are we?
Yeah,
Back at-
you're at the very bottom of the $2 level. Which you can go to $2, or we can just stay at 4. Well, I mean, technically.
I don't want to stay there. That's danger to me.
Yeah, go ahead and go to the 4.
All right, I'm going to take this up. I think I'm going to call it from here.
Okay.
I don't know though.
I mean, yeah, if it's
I
going,
feel like
going.
it's going back up.
It probably is. That could have just been a really little pullback, and then you might get this might go up. And I'm gonna mute my mic and fix it. It's kind of running off here. That was close.
It was, but I don't know. I'm gonna go in again.
Yeah,
And
you might be right, bro.
I don't know. It's a
I feel
guess.
like it went all the way back up. It rejected, and then it started to swing back. So unless there's some deeper swinging consolidation, which happens sometimes, this could just launch back up. Okay, no, it's not going to.
No, I'm pretty much gonna lose this trade.
It got this down. Okay. Oh man, it's in a box. It's in a box. It's in a box.
Yeah, it is.
And you were at the top of the box.
Mm-hmm.
You would almost won it. I mean it.
But we don't know if it's gonna break out like downward.
Let's
or
watch it.
upward.
Let's watch the top of these wicks, because if it gets above these wicks and keeps going, it probably will. It probably could go up and go up for a while. But actually, when I look at this chart in the long term, I think it's going to head back down. That's
Yeah.
at the bottom of the box now.
I think it's going down, and I think I'm.
Yeah, it's at the
put it
bottom of
down.
the box. It's breaking the bottom now. It tried to hit this bottom. It went back up.
It's going out of the box now, so
Yeah, it's
already
going out of the box. Yeah, it's out of the box, and
Probably going to the white line.
yeah, that's what I think. I think it's heading back down. I think you're going to get a couple wins here, because when I look at the overall picture, I realize how high we are. I mean, it's really high. I think you can re-enter this one even if it pulls back. Because I think it's going.
I got a good position there.
You got a great position. Let's see.
I'm a little above that candle, so
I don't want it to start reaching back up to its consolidation line.
neither do I. Neither of us wanted to do that. It's
That's
just
kinda what
doing
it's
that, but I
doing.
think it's gonna fall. I think
Dude,
it'll drop before the end of the
The
candle.
way, yeah, I think you're right, and I think you should take the third one too, especially if this
Yeah,
is a
I'm gonna
good
go
sized
for it.
candle, because it's saying goodbye to itself. I'd wait for a little wick, let it show some wick and enter. There was your wick. I mean, I
I'm
know you-
taking the next candle, so
Okay, you're brave. Okay, this might be your second win in a row. Second 3 in a row. 14. 359 and 14.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's gonna win.
Okay, 373. So you're still. Oh crap! You son of a gun! Come on, yeah, come on. There you go.
Oh, got it.
There you go.
Got it.
All right, good.
So we're still a little behind.
We're still a little behind, but that's because you were at the bottom of the $2 level.
And bro, we won that. Oh my gosh, look at these freaking trades. 80%, 80%, 78%. No wonder we're still behind.
No, we're still behind because we were on like the 9th $2 trade level when you started this. So, you're 381. You started at 381. You're still $7 behind. What was that? A call on Apple? Okay, good thing you got off that chart. Okay, I was looking at that other one. I'm like, what the heck?
This could win. This might be going up to the top of there. I don't know. Maybe not, but it's a guess. Isn't it always?
Yeah, it's at a contentious point right now. I mean, it's hit this level several times and bounced back. You got 3 giant candles. I mean, I think that was a crap position, but
Okay, maybe.
I mean, you should be at $2 still.
I am.
If anything, this thing's going down. But this chart looks dangerous because it's got wicks everywhere and it just doesn't have any smooth movement.
Okay, here we go. Look at this.
What is it?
American Express. That's why my screen should be shared and not yours. Because that way you see
Your
me
screen
jump.
is shared.
Yeah,
I'm just
my
looking at my screen. That's your screen.
Okay. You're
your,
okay.
Your screen is being shared, but I'm looking at my screen.
Is this going?
Up? Yeah, probably. I mean, overall, yeah. I guess this could go either way, but it's heading back. No, I think this might end. It should go back down because it consolidated for like 6 candles. Then it's retracing.
Yeah, I was thinking it was going down. But
Yeah,
then
I'd put it from up here. If you're gonna make anything, make a put up here because I think it's probably going back down. That big candle is just kind of touching the bottom of the box that it was in earlier. So unless it's gonna go all the way back up into that box, which I doubt it, but it is kind of going in that box. No, it feels like this is where it could get rejected. Because it feels like the rejection is coming. And if it does, and it doesn't consolidate again, man, that's really scary right there. To me, that's really scary. Why is it freaking? It's like just so wrong. Yeah. See, look, it did what we thought.
Yep.
Now it's at the bottom of another box that seems like it's rejecting off too. It's kind of weird, dude. This one's got
Goodbye.
like a jagged.
Goodbye, American Express.
It's got a jagged feel to it. I mean, I think it's. Oh, FedEx, dude. FedEx is at a decision point. I'm not sure which way it's going, but I think it's
Yeah, I see that.
could break down or up at this point. I mean, probably going to go up actually. It's probably going to go up and go through the white line. Of course, it could get hairy up in there. It's at the
Could.
bottom. It's at the bottom of a where it was. It's at the bottom of a line where it was before. It breaks. If it breaks that red wick, then now it feels like it might want to break above, but it's still consolidating. That's a contentious point on the top side.
Yeah, it's a lot of.
It hit that point on the way down, and I just don't think it's. I just don't know.
I'm gonna
if it's ready.
take. I'm gonna take the chance that it's breaking out upward.
Okay. Well, if it does, you'd be in a good spot.
Because if it does, I'm gonna be a millionaire, and if it doesn't,
It might. Yeah. I mean, I think it's.
well, this is a decision point right here, and it's a 50-50 chance.
Yeah.
It's
It's a good
either-
starting point. Yeah,
I mean-
because it kind of hit it, and it's like,
It's either
Yeah.
gonna just say, okay, I'm breaking out of this, or I'm not.
there. Come on, baby. Come on. Give it to us. There. Oh, come on. Oh, suck it. Take it again. You lost it.
I'm gonna take it from there. It's not a candle color, but that's a position.
Thank you. That was a position.
I
That's what I'm
don't
saying, 'cause it is.
trust those, but
What
I'm
do you
gonna-
mean you don't trust? That's the best position ever, dude. Look at how that's the bottom of the box.
Well, I took it because it was dipped, but if it's gonna go down more, it's gonna go down more. I don't know.
it feels like it wants to go up out of this box, but it's kind of like when we used to do the flip flop.
Yeah.
All right,
I think it's going down. I think it's decided to go down, but I
don't
hasn't
know.
broke out of
It's
the
at the
box
bottom.
yet.
Yeah, it's still at the bottom of this. It's just consolidating. This is a total consolidator. I'll watch it and tell you when it
Yeah, okay,
breaks.
you watch it. I'm getting out of it. Meanwhile,
I'll watch it and tell you if this is gonna break. I mean, right now it's just bouncing. It's so frustrating because I know what you're doing. You did that. That was a call. I would have made that call too. I would have thought it's gonna break it and it's gonna do it now, and then it just goes, no, I'll just stay here.
Facebook is.
They're changing to like 88% a lot, so just watch that because
Like
Okay.
Facebook was going to climb, but I don't know.
it broke out of the box big time on the downside. But talking about FedEx, so Facebook. Is Facebook? Come on, give us something. Give us something here. Consolidation, dude. I don't know why, but right now everything's in consolidation.
I've seen that a lot. Yeah. Okay, now here's Apple is. Okay, Apple could be an RSI break. I've seen this movie before.
Maybe it's got some room to go. It's been down there. If you're gonna take it, I would take it. Just I don't know.
I got a good position on that.
That was a great position. It scares me because of how volatile this is moving.
Yeah.
But positionally, that was perfect. I mean, that's probably surely going to win. I mean, just
But
these
look,
next.
it's already broke past all that. I think it's
Yeah.
going down. But I don't know if I'll get two
Well,
more
just
wins.
take it.
out.
You got another good position here. Just go for it. I mean, if you win this, you got it. You can take it up there. The problem is it wicked out twice, pushed down and pulled back up. What does that mean? I guess it doesn't mean anything. I guess it just means it's got down pressure and it's also got up pressure. But man, those candles are kind of crazy looking. All right, you should be on an $8 trade next, and then making a decision on if you think it's really going.
I think I'm going to go
Man.
for it.
Yeah, especially up there, dude. Yeah, I would just go for it big time. I'd get it before it.
I mean, I'm gonna go for it. We'll see. This could be the candle that burns us, or it's gonna be the candle that wins this.
It could easily fly down. I mean, it could easily just shoot
Could.
right straight down. It seems like it wasn't totally. I mean, it seems like it totally could go down. And 6-5 for it.
Nope.
I don't know about those big bottom wicks. I always get nervous. I don't usually win on those, but I don't know why.
Okay, here's another one. Is American Express that's doing the same sort of thing. It's got a few candles to go before it's going to have an RSI touch, if the RSI touches, because historically it hasn't done it much.
Oh, this would
So-
be a call to me, but that's just because.
I'm going to take it down because I think that it's going to go down this time. So I'm going to do the opposite of what you think it would do.
Then you might win, actually.
Well, so far I'm winning, but that doesn't mean it can't change.
I hit that line, and
Well, because look, the last few times the RSI has got to this level, it hasn't touched. So I'm thinking this time maybe it's due.
yeah,
to
it's
touch.
kind of farted around a lot, and it has some room to go. I mean, it has some down room. It has some room to go down for sure. I mean, it definitely could just literally shush fush down from here. It's kind of hooked up there, but it could just tank. Hit that line,
Or it's gonna do what it's been doing. I don't know.
It seems to be turning around a lot tonight. Just going down, hitting a certain level, and just turning down.
Oh, are you serious?
Still would have lost. I mean, yeah, we'll see. It's like now it's gonna go down. That's what, dude. I'm telling you, do what you want to do, but I would pressure trade. I'd wait for those big pressure points that are on the other side of where I'm going. Like if you had taken it.
You
But then
think
again-
you think that that's gonna win, but it's not got any better chance than what I'm doing.
Well, maybe not, but like if you would have put it up there, then you probably would have won. You're putting it at
what
the
you're
bottom.
what you're also not considering is the time, and and we don't know where it's going to be in the next crap. Yeah, see,
I'm just saying you're putting your puts are at the bottom of these candles, and they're all just kind of sitting on that line.
right? But if you get 3 of them in a row, which oh, look at that, Pfizer is like.
Well, how come you're
massive
losing then? There's 3 red candles right there, and we've lost all 3 of them.
Because I did take it outside the time limit.
Oh, now it's breaking down.
What chart was that?
American Express, it just broke way down, but it stayed okay.
Well, that's what I was waiting for.
Well,
to
there
do,
it is, right there. There's your next candle. I mean, if it's gonna keep going, it broke down. If you think it's gonna go, take this next candle because it finally broke. It's kind of retracted a little bit, but it has broken that line finally. So if it really did break the bottom wicks last time. If it's a dropper, then it's had its little fart back, pull back, fart back. It's had its little time.
Well, we're about to see.
All right, you should be on a $4 trade. I forgot to tell you that.
I already know that.
You do?
Well, yeah.
I mean, I'm
Assuming I win this.
I'm saying you're on the $4 level is what you're on. You should be. Oh, yes. All right. I would just bank that win and forget it. Go to a $4 trade. Well, you're going to a $4 trade anyway. But you're at the $4 level.
There. Well, crap.
50,
I tried to take it on a rise, like you said, but then it jumped up, so
Oh crap.
it threw my thing off. So
Well, let's see what 355. Yeah, you're a couple off on the $4 level. So come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, I mean, this seems like this could win, and if it does, I mean, it's like, so you were trying to get it up here? Come on,
Tried to.
come on, there we go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, we
yeah,
got it.
We got it. Okay. All right, now you're going to an $8, 248, and I don't know what I would do right now, but I mean,
I
I
don't
think
either.
this feels like a turnaround, dude. I mean,
turn around like upward.
like upward, yeah. I mean, it feels like it's just wanting to go up, doesn't it? I mean,
I don't know.
Now it does, because look at the RSI. I mean, it's.
Oh shoot! And I meant to get that one lower than I did, but
Well, these charts are kind of bouncy, dude, and
they're
I think you're
jumping.
gonna win that.
So by the time all right, I'm gonna take the next one as a 16. So
Well, I guess you kind of are at a 16 level. You really do need to take another trade.
that's a giant candle, though.
I know, but I'm not sure if you should take it or not. I mean,
I
you
don't
want to
know.
wait and see what happens. Why don't you just give it a minute to breathe and see? I mean, because it's hit that twice now. I don't know. It's farting around. I mean, if I was gonna, I just don't know.
You want me
it's
to take a
big.
call from here, or do you
From down there, yeah, like right there, yeah. Take it from there. If it's gonna call up, then it's gonna call up. You know.
All right, we'll see what happens. Oh, I could have gotten it even lower. Holy crap! You want me to double it up?
No.
Is that risky as heck to do
Yeah,
that?
because right now it might just
But
turn
look at that.
around.
You think I should double that up? That's
No, I
big.
wouldn't double it up. I wouldn't double it up.
You wouldn't?
Well, I would. Yeah, I would double it up. But it's pushing pretty hard. I would double it up, or I would just take another
Too late.
call.
Too late.
Dang it, mother. Well, that
If we'd have doubled it up, do you realize we'd have won? I normally would never do that, but that was such a big candle. I knew it was not going to end that far down. That's okay.
well, it hit that line. It went back down and hit that line that it was farting on. All right, go to a $4 trade now.
Where I'm at. I'm going to call this because I think it's going to go up. That's my guess.
It's really this is this is such a hard chart to read. I don't understand this chart. I mean, it's bouncing all over the place. I mean, maybe you're more used to these. These are, to me, I don't know where this is going. It could go down another whole candle. It could shoot straight back up last second. You know, there you go. All right, you got it. But I would get off this chart.
Well, honestly, dude, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop re-entering. I'm going to go for one-off trades and get 3 in a row because I'm having a hard time getting 3 wins in a row. Boom, boom, boom. I'm having a hard time with it.
Well, so am I.
So I'm going to
Yeah.
find 3 individual wins, I think is what I'm going to do.
Yeah, find 3 opportunities that look good, and try to win them. And if it looks like they're gonna just be, if you like Boeing, dude, Boeing is about. Go to Boeing and just watch it.
No, I'm watching something else.
Okay, I'm gonna watch Boeing, because Boeing is just like, oh, it's 74%. Never mind. How did I get all these charts down on something else? Intel 79, 88, 82. All these charts are getting really. How come you're in an $8 trade?
Because I just
Oh,
won $4.
you already won a $4. Okay. This is a good one, dude. This one, man,
It was good.
this is a good one. That was good. This is a consolidated.
I had every reason to believe that was good.
Yeah, wow.
Never mind.
It's consolidating. Now
consolidated.
it's going back up. How convinced are you that chart is going to go back up?
Well, at the moment, well, I mean, I had a lot of reason to believe it at the time.
Yeah, because it was. Now it's
I
like,
mean,
now
didn't
it's
you?
a box. Yeah, I mean, it looked like I was thinking you were going to get 3 right there. I mean, it looked like it was like almost an engulfing candle. It wasn't totally engulfing, but
Now I think it's going to go down. Unless it's going to go back up to that, but
Yeah, dude, this is the way I trade when I hate myself, so I'm not going to say anything. I trade at the bottom when it's going up. I trade at the top when it's going down. I do exactly what you just did. Both of those candles were,
you realize that we're not psychic, right?
yeah.
We don't know which way it's going to go. So we can only guess. But now it's like going up with such force, it's broken out of everything. So, I have every reason to believe now that it's going up, but we'll see.
It depends on the timing of the chart too, because it seems to go and then it waits and then it goes. Like it probably is going to go. You're probably going to lose this, and then it's going to end up going back up after this.
Mm-hmm.
You're on a $4 trade again. I wouldn't. Yeah, dude. I don't know. I'm going back to.
Just sit tight, bro. I got this. I'll find a winner here.
81,341. You got. And that looks like a great idea right there.
Yeah. Or it did.
I mean it.
Okay. Is tonight a night where it just sort of feels rigged?
Yeah.
You know those nights where it just feels like it's rigged?
Yeah, I feel it right now. I'd get off these. I'd go back to currencies, dude. Do you always trade?
I always trade stocks. Okay, but this currency looks good. But look at all those red candles. By the time on AutoCAD, by the time I get in on this, it's gonna go back down. But might go back down, and maybe could ride
That's
it down.
green candles. OddCAD?
Yeah, there's so many green candles. It's due to turn around at any point. But
Well,
gonna-
it's gonna hit a level in about another candle. I'd give it one
tell
more
me when it
candle.
does, because I've got it. Should I take a call or a put?
I would put it when it hits when it gets up a little higher. It's not quite there yet.
Well, I'm gonna take it now because I can't
Yeah.
wait on it.
Well, now right there.
I
is
can't see
where-
the level. You're
Right
looking
there
at
it is. Right there's the level.
There. Since I
Okay.
might lose the first one.
Yeah, right there's the level that it's hit multiple times and it can't break it, and it's reached all the way back up there. I mean, dude, it's hit this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the previous past. I would be super surprised if you.
Oh, I won the first one, dude.
Okay, good. Just wait till it goes back up.
Well, I went ahead and entered the 8 because
Well, yeah, I
because
mean,
I already won the.
to me, it could go back up again and hit that again, but it's bounced hard off this level every time it's hit it. So, did you win 2 $4 trades?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Okay, and I might win the 8.
yeah, and then I'd wait until, or do what you want because you might win this. Come on. There you go. Oh, come on.
Oh crap! I
freaking
lost
crap.
that one.
You got another 8 in you. You can hit another 8 here, and I would hit it there.
Hold on.
What are you waiting for? You waiting for it to go back down?
Well, I was thinking it was gonna still keep going down, but is it gonna go up?
I think.
Well, I couldn't. I had to change my amount. I
Oh,
had it
okay.
at 16,
Oh,
but now
See.
it's like going back up again, unless it's gonna go down.
this is interesting. Well, that's all right. Just go back to a 4. It broke that level, but it's probably going to go back down. I mean, I don't know. It hit this level. It's kind of broken above its level, bro. It's broken above that level. If it's going to retract, I would just get high candles and just put them,
It's struggling right there.
Yeah, it's struggling right there. It's like it struggled before. It pushed up a little more, but it's like, is it gonna? I think it's, I don't know. I don't know that I can bank my whole night on this, but when this turns around from up here, it's probably gonna just fall for a good tick. It's what it's done every other time.
It still has a lot of pressure upward,
Yeah,
but it's wanting to fall.
I would just be careful on my re-entries here. I mean, because you lost something
Dang,
by
I
a
lost
hair.
it by a hair.
That's what I mean. So wait till it jumps up and then put it, and then watch it. Watch
No,
it
it's
tank.
going down. It's got to go down here. Okay, I might get 3 candles out of this, maybe.
Yeah, I guess this is what we look for. You're on the 321. Okay, you're at the $8 level now. So we're at the bottom of the 4. So you should be on an $8 trade. Your next trade's going to be $8 regardless, so you can take it.
Tell me it ain't going up from here.
It's setting new highs every time. All right, your next trade has to be an 8 because you're at the $8 level,
Dang.
and we have to win.
Yeah, we do.
But you know we're only halfway through, so
Okay, I'm gonna take a call. I think it's
no,
going up.
do not take a call
Okay.
because that's a giant candle, dude. If it's gonna retract, it's gonna retract now. I mean that's where I would take a put. Just take an $8 put up here
Okay.
because like that's a giant candle, and it's gonna turn around. We know it's gonna turn around.
Well, we think it is, but dude, we don't know when.
No, it did break its level though. The level that I have is right there.
I mean, it's been riding up above that
Yeah,
RSI for
it
a
has,
long
and
time.
it broke its level pretty good, and it stopped. It went up, it stopped, it went up, it stopped again. So I don't know if it's gonna win. I don't even know if it's gonna. Oh crap!
You're welcome.
Dang
I
it! You
would-
could have
I
won
would-
that.
I would
All right,
have if.
you're on the $8 level, so
Yeah, I know. If we'd have done what I said, because it's just not turning around. It's just not turning around here. You want me to put it?
I think so.
Okay. I mean, we'll just keep going till we will just put this to the death here and see what happens.
No, don't do that. I mean, we probably should get off this chart. We don't know. This is a chart that's kind of, it's burned us about 5 times, so I don't even know why we're still on it. Because now we're just waiting for it to turn around, but it's really not. It's overgrown, dude. It's over RSI'd. I mean, this could go up for 15 candles. You know, we're waiting for it to turn around, and we're just getting our nuts handed to
Oh,
us.
we tied it.
But it might turn around. But I mean, it could just keep going up from here.
No, I think it's going down now. We just tied that trade, and
Okay.
I mean, it is petering out here. No matter what, it is petering out. So we'll see. If
It
this
seems to have some constant up pressure, even though I really feel like it should be tanking. Do you think it's going to tank all at once, just start
Yeah.
shooting down like red candles out? It's going to shoot like red candles out of crazy. Yeah, and then I'll just come on, son of a
Dang
gun.
it.
Wait till the next candle. Get back on your next candle color, and
there it would be right there. There it was. We were about a candle off.
get back on your next candle color, and maybe we can get 3 candles here. Take an 8. Next will be 16 and then 32. If it doesn't peter out and we don't lose our nuts again.
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. I think we've been waiting on this one a while. I think you can get another one out of this. I think it's, yeah, take your 16 down whenever it ends. Come on, baby. Bottom level is right there. It's 32. I'm watching this level really close to tell you if I think you should re-enter. Hit that bottom wick is at a level, and if it doesn't reject too hard, then it probably is okay. Come on. You've got to move down. You've got to move down. You've got to move down.
Dang it. Dang it. Dang it.
All right, you want to get off this chart?
Yeah, I'm done with it.
All right, we're on 8.
Okay, okay. Odds CHF looks pretty good.
It's hilarious, man.
But here again, the
Oh,
RSI.
on
historically-
CHF. Oh, let me see.
The RSI has not been touching traditionally, so
Odd CHF looks just like the one we were just on. Because we were on OddCAD, so I wonder how. Oh, I'm on OddCAD again. Yeah. Odd CHF is the one you're saying. See, this one to me, I mean, this is a crazy chart. I like the other one a lot better. It at least had some like steady movement in it. OddCAD. Oh man,
odds
OddCAD.
CHF, not CAD.
I know OddCAD is still going down like we thought it was. It's just taking its time. It's not got 3 candles in a row. Man, it's going down like a big tanker drill now. I mean,
What
it's
is?
Odd CAD, the one we were on the whole time waiting for it to go down. It's finally.
Why don't we take minute trades on it, dude?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Take minute trades on. I mean, I do that a lot, dude. Especially when I'm losing on these little margins where it just keeps bouncing back. And I mean, we know it's going down there. Wait, USD JPY is at a really great point. It's at the white line.
There. I'm going to take a 1 minute put on OddCAD from
Okay.
here at this green
Yeah,
candle.
that's a great candle, dude. That's a great position because it's going down, dude. It's probably going all the way to the white line. It's gonna have to. That's what it's been doing. It reached way up there, you know.
I'm going to watch it play out in 10 seconds. I want to see what it's...
I'd stay on 1 minute because yeah, we're getting slaughtered on these 30-second trades because these candles are going our direction, but they're going there like minute 30 seconds after. You know.
Even at 1 minute, dude, it's still friggin' staying close to the line here.
You just need a push down. You just need a push down.
Nope. Didn't get it.
Oh, come
Son of a nutcracker.
on. All right, you're on an $8 trade, but I don't know, man. Like, you think you should take another minute from up here, or do you think it's going to go back up? I honestly think this chart's going back up. It's like it already hit the white line.
Where are we at? OddCAD?
OddCAD, I think it's still going back up. I mean, yeah, I don't know. If you're not feeling confident, we should just call it tonight because we're getting slaughtered. But why don't you just find something that you think is right and just do it? You could even switch to 1
There.
minute
I'm
candles.
gonna just start taking a 1 minute call here on this. And if you think it's going up,
I think it is
Um,
because it went down and then it's, remember all that up pressure? I mean, I think it's going to return back up to almost a hump up there. I think from here, it's going to probably head back up. So if you get good positions on your calls, then I think you'll win them if they're a minute long, even 2 minutes, but just a minute's fine. So it's like at this point where it's like, it does want to go back up. It tried to go back down. It hit a level, and it's heading back up. I don't think it's. At first, I was thinking, oh, it's going to go to the white line, but then as it kind of stopped there,
well, your first thought was right because it's going to the white line. We got 8 seconds left.
but just take another 1 minute call because it's probably going to go back up from here. I don't go into the white line for real. Do you think so? Just take another 1 minute, and it'll just because
I don't know. Makes you think this is going up.
because of all the up pressure it had, and because it's kind of at the white line now, and I mean the RSI is in the middle, so it's a stupid idea there, but because it, I don't know, because I think overall it probably is gonna go back. I want it to go back. I don't know anything, dude. I suck at this game, by the way.
Do you?
Yeah, I do suck at this game. It's hard for me not to like hit the button and not thing, but dude, I got slaughtered the other night, so myself. So it's on the white line now. If it decides to go back up now, then you're probably sitting on a good spot, but I think we should probably just play guitar and quit trading. All right, it's gonna turn around now. So if you got 25 seconds on this, 20 seconds left on this trade, it could consolidate. So I would wait for a pullback. I wouldn't do next candle. I'd just wait and just get a little wick or a pullback if we win. I don't know if we're gonna win this one. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. All right, you could probably call it from here again.
Good position.
Yeah, that's a great position. 8, 16, and 32. We really need a win, dude. We really need a win.
Yep.
It's like it's on a line right here, a pretty good line where it stopped before. But like all it needs to do is get like a little bit of jump, a little bit of jumble, and it just needs to go up from here. Get on your 32 trade and wait, because right now I feel like it's
I
on
think we could win the next candle.
the next candle on 30
Well,
seconds.
the next, yeah, on, I don't know about 30 seconds. I got it on a
like the
minute.
next minute. Okay.
Yeah, I'm thinking about entering, but do you think it'd be too premature?
It'd be too early right now because but it would be too early in our game. But you got 15 seconds, so yeah, maybe you could enter. Yeah, it's probably gonna go. Yeah, you can enter now because you're gonna win this one. You got 10 seconds. If this doesn't reject off that, then you probably have this one. Yes.
Okay, we might win this,
Dude, when I'm trading by myself, I often switch to minute and a half to sometimes 2-minute trades because like the other day, even this, I get beat in this 30-second game. Like it just keeps bouncing around. And I feel like the 2-minute trades, like I get good positions like that. Like you got a good position and it gives you some time. You probably
Watch
would have
this
won.
if you see this in 10 seconds, you'll actually see that we're breaking upward out of a, well, it was.
You would have won at 30 seconds. That's funny. Dude, and this candle would have won in 30 seconds. That makes me want to just pee all over my computer right now because that ended green 30 seconds after you took it. Come on, baby. Lord. Come on.
Man, I'm freaking furious.
I'm furious, dude. 8. All right, go back to an 8. That's a tough one, man, because you had it and you would have won that. 30 seconds would have won. But now, what do you think it's going to do?
I don't know.
Well, I mean, it's at a line. Do you think it's going to break down here?
Probably.
Yeah. Take the next one down. Yeah, or that one, whatever you think. So did you take a minute trade?
Nope. 5 seconds. I'm doing this old school.
You need a 16. You need a 16. It's going to go back down again. It might retrace a little bit, but I think now what are you looking at?
I'm
Oh my
looking,
gosh.
I think it's going up. But hold
Yeah.
on. Give me a second here.
Let's consolidate. It's going to hold. It's going to push him back. Oh crap, dude.
Got it.
You're on a 32. What are you looking at? Can you
Wait
tell
a
me?
minute. Hold on. Do you realize we're at 2 set? Oh, we were at 3. Oh, we're $100 down, aren't we?
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, that's why you need to win a couple more of these. You need to take it 32. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah, there you go. You got it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Let me redo the math and make sure where you're at. Give me 1 second. Oh, crap.
5 seconds to the rescue. Did we do something wrong?
No. Why?
I don't know if we missed a level somewhere. Or
Well, you might have been into the level where you should have been taking. What did we get down to? You were almost ready to have to go to the $16 level, which is the 4th tier. But now you're back up to 305. No? Oh, crap, bro. Yeah, you're already at a $16 level, bro. You're at the $16 level.
Really?
Yeah, you're at 305. Well, wait a minute. No, I'm sorry. You're at. Okay, no, I'm sorry. You're at the $8 level. Okay, I'm sorry. I need to make sure I focus real quick. You're at the $5. You're at the $8 level. You're at 305, where you have 321 is when you hit the $8. So you're like 2 or 3 trades into the $8 level. So yeah, that was a good thing that you did.
Shoot.
You're gonna go to a 16 now. You're gonna go to a 32. 32.
All right, just let me do my magic here, because
Okay.
Still got it, I guess. I'm reading pressure here. Sometimes good at these, sometimes I'm not.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Don't
never
freak
know.
out because you're mathematically you're okay if you don't freak out. I mean, you're totally fine. You just got to win a $32 trade now.
No pressure, right?
No, it's not because if you lose it, I mean, you just made that much, dude. So you're just, it's really a $4 trade. It's really, it's really a $4 trade, or an $8 trade. Yeah, it's really just an $8 trade. That's all it is. That's all it is. It's just like an $8 trade.
Waiting for the right time here.
Yeah, well, take your time because, this chart's acting.
Oh, crap.
All right, you're 8. And that was fine. You only lost $8, so. You only lost $8. You're on a bottom line. And you're going to go 8 again. But, just.
I'm waiting. This is like kind of pulling up. Dang it.
To me, it looks like it's going down, but,
Well, I saw that.
8, you're going to
it's-
8.
Okay, hang on. It's kind of consolidating. So.
All right, you're going to 16. That's a lot of up. Yeah, come on. Dang it. Hit a line. Hit a big line. Hit it. You're going to 8 again? There you go. 16.
Oh. Okay, this is going.
It's hit a line way back there, but
It's going
it's
up,
breaking
though.
up. Yeah, it's breaking that line. Yeah. Should be a 16.
Hang on. I'm waiting. I feel like this is going to go down.
Come on, baby. Oh, come on.
Crap. Well, I read that wrong.
Well, it's breaking up. Yeah, in the 30. I'm watching the 30 seconds. It is heading down now, but it was sort of like I thought you might have been right. 8. Go back to 8.
Yeah.
24. And then 16.
Down.
Oh yeah,
Oh, we got it. Yeah.
32. You need a 32, and you need this one. So don't make this one happen. So you are the freaking man, dude. All right,
Okay,
wait.
Okay.
All right, wait. You are still at the $8 level, okay? But you're closer to the top of the $8 level now, so you're getting a little bit out of danger. So, but don't take a bunch of random trades. There you go. Let's see. There you go. Oh, there you go. You're at 16 now. It's at a major line and it's breaking down. I'm watching 30 seconds and I think it's going down from here. You're at a 32. That's a big candle, but you're at 32 and it's going to bounce back up a little bit first.
Okay, so you think it's going to go up or down?
I think it's going to go down originally, but I mean, it's going to bounce back up a little bit here. Yeah, I think it's probably trying to head down. So, I mean, in the 30 seconds, it looks like it's going to head down, but it might bounce a little bit first. Is that what you're getting? Yeah,
Not.
it's bouncing around a lot. I'd wait till it breaks. It's still wanting to return. Dang it. Yes, yeah, there we go. All right, wait. Don't make any more trades.
Okay, let me go pee while you figure out the math.
Okay, I'm just making sure that I keep you on track.
Okay.
All right, we're actually all going to take a pee break. We'll be right back.
Okay, so where we at? All right,
All right.
where we at?
Uh,
Dude, that was a freaking major rescue.
yeah.
Dude,
I don't know what the heck we're thinking.
Am I the man or what? Did you see that, dude? I handled that like a boss, dude.
You're the boss, man. You're the boss.
So we're only down about $30 now.
Yeah, we just need to go. We need to keep our cool. You're at 3.
Well, dude, we were getting slaughtered at 30 seconds and even a minute, dude. But then I come in 5 seconds and kill it.
All right, you're on a $4 trade. Let's just keep killing it. You're in a $4 trade, and you're at the top of the $4 level. So if you win pretty soon, it's going to catapult you up there.
Okay, you telling me which way it's headed is helping. So
Okay, yeah, I'm looking at 30 seconds, and I'm telling you, dude, I can tell
it's
like
headed down. OddCAD still is where I'm at.
OddCAD is. I think it's going to go back up, but it is pushing down. There's a big red candle on my end, so it's been 4 green candles, and now it's kind of well, I forgot to tell you, it's on the white line. You just took a put on the white line. I think it's going to go back up from here. I don't know that it's going to break the white line. I mean, you have to wait for pressure. I'm just telling you.
Well, okay.
Wait for your pressure. I'm not. Don't take trades based on what I'm saying. I'm just saying, I think it's going to go up from here, but like, just you got to wait for the right pressure to happen. You know, it's at a decision point, but I think it's going to go back up from here. You know, I think it's. Oh my gosh.
Did
Good
it?
Lord.
Oh, dude, did it really just turn around? I thought I had that.
Yeah, it turned around. It's at a decision point, so be
Okay,
careful.
I'm off this chart. It's spent, dude. I'm off.
Yeah, it's kind of going
Okay.
like all over the place.
Go to odd CHF because this looks like it's got movement downward.
Yeah, it's on the white line too, and it's there you go.
I got it. Okay.
So what was that? That was a 4. So now you're on an 8. It's at a line on the bottom, and it's retracting a lot from here. So like it could go either way. I think it will push down probably from here. Yeah, it'll probably push down. It's at a line right now. So I'm just giving you a commentary. Don't take trades based on the timing that I'm saying. I'm just saying direction, general direction. I think this is breaking a big line right now. So I mean, it could get a big push down pretty soon. It's kind of like wicking from the bottom back up, but you know, it's probably gonna head back down. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Boom.
Freaking buried. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now you just need to win the 16. And now it's starting to green back up. It's starting to turn. It could come back up or it could keep going down. But this looks like it's got a lot of strong down pressure. But it is at the
if the
bottom.
RSI breaks,
It's not breaking.
then-
The RSI is cricking back up
Yeah.
right now.
okay, it is going back up. I see.
Yeah, no. Oh, I know what you're saying.
Nope, it's going down.
Yeah, it's gonna. The RSI is going down towards the touch, so hopefully you get this one. Come on, come on, come on! Oh, friggin' yes!
Got it.
Oh, you make it go now. This is the trading show of the century now. We're with Todd. Okay,
All right,
hold on,
dude.
hold
So
on.
we are back $10 away from where we
Yeah.
started. We can go back to $2 to be safe. if
Yes,
we
go
want.
back to $2, and then you just crank in some profit, dude. Just crank in some profit. Come on, baby. All right, so don't take like millions of trades just because you're at $2, but but do what you're doing. This is kind of in a consolidation point. It's probably going to end up turning around unless it breaks down. So now it's hit a big line on the 3-minute, 30-second chart, and it looks like it's broken it. So yeah, I mean it's probably just tanking, or it's going to
Got
flip.
it.
Okay, was that now you need the 8? You need to win the $8 one now, and it right now it's just bouncing back and forth because it's like it doesn't know which way it wants to go. Oh crap! Oh crap! Dude.
Boom. We're in the money by $1, bro.
Okay. Hold on a minute. I gotta make this is. I'm glad this is on tape because I don't think I would actually believe this, dude. It just sucked it up for dude. Our stream has been going on for an hour and a half, dude. And in the last 5 seconds, 5-second trades, you just totally. All right, you're at a $2 trade, and if you can just win another 3 series or 2, the night will be over. It will be fine. So just no pressure. This look like it's going to turn around and go up. It bounced off a bottom line, and it wants to return back down, but the RSI is kind of bouncing off the bottom right now, and it's probably going to just spring up, go back. It's heading back up towards the white line now. So, come on, baby. Yes, you got it. And you need an $8 trade. This is a major retraction, and it looks like it, still kind of wants to go up, but it is kind of hit a line up there where you were at the before. So I don't know if it's going to go up or down. Now it's just kind of going back down to where it was before. So I don't know.
So we are $4 in the money right now, dude.
$4 in the money. All right, so you're
If I
on a-
win this next trade, dude, the night is over with a $10 profit.
I know.
After being down by 100 and some dollars.
But wait, because this is touching the bottom line again. It might want to break down. So it's kind of at a decision point, and it's at a real big line on the downside. It might not break this line. So I don't know. It may just start shooting back up or might start shooting down. It's still deciding. It's really stopping right here. But it could. My RSI just broke, and in big time. My RSI just broke big time. I don't know what yours did.
I'm going to say it's
hit
going
hit the
down.
bottom of a big candle. Yes, come on, baby.
Oh, no. Oh, crap.
Two.
Crap,
Okay,
crap,
go to a
crap,
2.
Crap.
Now it's going down. No, it's broke down. This is breaking down. My RSI broke, and
Well, we're going to try to ride it down if we can here.
we'll get some good positions. Your positions suck right now. Don't listen to
Okay.
me. I'm only giving you general direction. You still have to take the dips and the valleys the way you know how to do it. So now, now it's probably heading back up because it's retracting back up to the bottom, to the support level. But I mean, it's bouncing down there. You gotta wait for better position. What are you doing? I guess this is how you trade. I don't know.
That was a 4. That was an accident.
Okay, you're at $2. You're blowing your profit right now. So just slow
Well,
down.
I was going to tell you, why don't we go back to $2 from there instead of taking an $8 trade, but
What do you mean?
well,
Oh, no. You just follow the plan, dude. Follow the math. The math works. As long as you just get winning positions. All right, you're sitting at a big level on the downside. So it's breaking through.
Okay, what's that
bottom
mean?
level.
Translate it quickly.
It's hitting
Going
a
up or
floor.
down?
It's hitting a floor, and it's probably going to push down from here. Yeah, so just wait for a good position. It's probably going to push down. It's got I'm on a giant red candle. It might try to retract a little bit, but it's probably going back down. But why? Hold on. But why did you take that trade? Because
Because you said it was headed down.
no. Stop taking trades based on what I'm saying. I'm just giving you overall position.
Okay, well, do you think it's going up or down?
I think it's gonna go up from here probably. You know, but hold on a minute, dude. Hold on. No more trading. Stop.
Let me get off that chart. I
Just
don't like
stop
that
a
chart.
second. When
I'm
I'm saying
listening to you.
I'm
listening
saying
to you.
it's hitting a big line, which means, you know, and it's breaking it, and it is breaking it. But that doesn't mean that you
Okay, all
start
right.
putting
You
it.
just let me do what I do. I just recovered $100, dude. Give me
Yeah,
a
just
second
stop.
here.
Just stop listening to me.
Okay.
Get
Yeah,
back- I'm just giving you the commentary of, like, you know, the bigger picture. But I mean, dude, you're basically zoomed way in on this.
I am.
Dang it. I could have told you that was probably going to go up.
Well, I
It
didn't.
was on a white line. Now it's breaking. Now it's breaking. It's at another level, but it's breaking above it, so it's probably going up.
Okay, well,
I'm just going to give you general direction, like
that's all
which,
I need to know. I don't need to know
right.
because I'm just looking at the way it's.
General direction is this one is heading up. This one is kind of heading up. I mean,
But in my RSI, it's just kind of riding waves here. It's kind of
yeah, right. Because it is. It's waving, but I think in general, it's got like a giant green candle, and it's got a big wicked red candle right now. So it's probably, you know, it's decision point right now. It's volatile, but overall, I think it's heading up from here. It wants to go up, is what I think it wants to do.
Dang it.
It's all right. You're at $2 again.
Got way below where I wanted to be there.
$2 again. Oh, you need to go to a $4 trade. You're 62. Yeah.
Dang it.
You need to go to a $4 trade.
Okay. Shoot.
This chart's bouncing all over the place in
I'm
30.
getting off of it.
It's like bouncing all over. It's up and down. It's like it's consolidating.
I'm gonna get off that chart.
You're at a $4 level.
Okay, here's one that looks kind of good.
$4.
That's where I'm at.
8. And it's heading to the white line on the upside. It's going up. I don't know if it's going to go up in this 5 seconds, but it is heading up. There's your 8. Your 16's next.
Am I at the early $4 level?
Yeah, early. And this chart is heading up to the white line still. It's struggling here, but it is probably going to have a push up. Oh, come on. There you go. Come on. There you
Oh,
go. Yes.
we got it, bro.
You got it, bro. Okay. Let me recalculate. You're probably at 376. You're seeing. Yeah, you're at $2 now. Go back to 2.
Okay.
And you're only like $6 away from your profit. This chart is heading to the white line. Oh, you got that. That was a miracle. It's heading to the white line, but it's struggling, so it might be turning now. But
Where's the white line downward?
I think it's heading up towards the white line. It's heading.
Okay,
up.
well, see, in the 10 seconds, it's down to the white
Actually, I
line.
think it's going down now. I think it's going to have more down pressure at this point because it's bouncing off the top. It's bounced off the top of the white line. Okay, so was that a first trade 2-4? Now you need an $8, and I don't know what this is going to do anymore. You know, I think you're probably right about that. I mean, you're at the bottom.
Oh!
You're-
I had every reason to believe.
Yeah, you're at the bottom. You're at the bottom of a line, and it just kind of retracted. But I do think it's going to go down from here. Still, this chart is probably still going to go down. It's sitting on a line, and I think it's going to break down from here. I think the pressure is going to be on the downside. Like the overall movement of it's going to go
Got
down.
it.
Yeah, it's a 4 now. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. And then you need an 8 to match that up. And come on, baby. You're out of line. You're out of line. You're out of line. You're out of line. Yes.
Got
There you
it.
go.
Got it. We're in the money. I'm going back to 2.
All right, hold on. 386. You're in the money. You go back to 2. Hold on. 386.
That's
already,
a profit.
You're
I've
in a
made
profit
some
of $5. Yeah. So go back to 2 and
Mhm.
get us some real profit.
Okay.
Just don't start. Just because you're in the profit, just don't start hitting trades like. Yeah, this is going to the white line. It's hitting the white line. That's a massive candle. It's on the white line right now. It just hit it. So I mean, it's heading up to its white line. It just hit it. It's stopping. So be careful. It's making a decision right now.
I want to take a put because
Yeah.
I think it's going to go down.
Yeah, and then you're right.
And boom. There you go. Whoa, crap. There you go, bro.
392. Hold on. Let me see your profit is.
That is $11, bro.
$11. All right, stop.
Dude.
Welcome to the fascinating world of random. Hold on. Here we go. Dude,
What do you think of that?
do you think that just having a coach to like just keep you calm and keep you on track financially is all you really needed?
I mean, maybe. Because I just, like, cleaned house, dude.
You freaking cleaned house. Dude, we were down like $150.
We were down $150. I recovered it all and made an $11 profit. All using 5-second trades. You're welcome.
Well, maybe we should just use 5-second trades.
The problem is that some nights we're getting slaughtered with 5 seconds. Some nights we're winning with 5 seconds. And, tonight we were just getting killed with 30-second trades. We just couldn't win.
Dude, that's
And so-
exactly how I totally destroyed my account the other day. It was like that. It was like I could win 2 trades and the third one to lose every time. And I just got so... Did you see how frustrating that was?
Yeah.
Alone? Dude, I would have blown my account again alone. I would have just blown it because I would have just been so frustrated. For some reason,
Yeah.
when you're trading, I don't get as frustrated. I have a cooler head because I'm not the one... I'm not the one making the trades. I'm just kind of like, okay, you need this dollar amount. You need that dollar amount.
That's how I used to feel when you were trading. But now
just chill. You were just chilled.
I mean, I don't know. Let's see if there's good pressure, dude. I feel like
Dude, here's what I think. I think we should come into these sessions, and I think I should trade the 30-second trades, and you should trade the 5-second trades. Like if we're looking at these charts and we're like, man, we're doing 30 seconds tonight, or 30 seconds to a minute and a half, dude, that's my game. That's where I'm winning. And
yeah, unless it was the other night, dude.
well, it wouldn't have happened. I wouldn't have went that far with you. I would have probably went down 15 trades and said, okay, I'm not winning, or 10 even. Dude, we could come in and give me 10 chances to start with and be like, if I don't get it, we can give you 10. Dude, maybe that's what we should do. Maybe we should come in and be like, all right, I get 10 trades, you get 10 trades. And it's like I get 10 30-second trades, and then you get 10 5-second trades. And whichever one seems to work, we'll just go with it. If we get our profit, we get our profit. If we get down, dude, without those 5-second trades, dude, I don't think we would have won tonight.
No, we wouldn't have, dude.
For some reason, the charts are jumping all over the place.
Right.
But I trade with positions, so I feel like I could maybe win. Even, if it's like, okay, it's going down, I just wait for these jumps and I just take these trades. And sometimes I make it like a minute and a minute and a half. I use... Tonight, I think you were right. When we switched to a minute, we started doing better. But still, they still just turn around and like just at the last minute. I mean, it's almost like it was rigged. Like it was rigged, dude.
Yeah.
That's what it felt like tonight. Because no matter what time frame we put on there, we would be in the money, and then it would be like, well, it would have won at 30 seconds. Oh, we lost it. So I'm in a profit. You're in a profit.
I have. Do you see my screen up there?
Yeah.
Look at that, dude. Since I loaded my account, I've burned 31% of my bonus because we've done so much trade volume.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Well, that was a lot of winning trades in 5 seconds. I'm kind of impressed.
Yeah. No, dude, let's take a look at that, dude. Look at that on the screen there. See that?
Yeah, it's win after win after win, dude. I mean, you didn't barely lose any.
I had one loss right here.
How many in a row was that? That was a lot in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dude, you had 10 trades with only one loss in the middle.
2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you lost one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more wins.
Yeah.
And that's how you make profit.
Yeah. So tonight, dude, I mean, I don't know. I just 5 seconds. I used to win all the time with 5 seconds. So maybe
92. Okay, so you cleared that level. Okay, you cleared this level. You cleared that level. Dude, you're on level 70 right now.
wow.
392, right? 392, 11. Yeah, you're on level 70. You're on level 70. Dude, that's pretty good. I think this math will work. Did you realize that we lost our butts tonight over and over again, and you still were not really
Came out
in that?
ahead.
Yeah, you weren't in that much danger. I mean, honestly, I think that now I'm confused because I feel like we're getting good at this, but then it's like, I guess at the end of the day, when you're down to like your 29th trade and you're like, all right, this ain't working, and then you just started making 5-second trades and winning. I mean, I guess we do what works.
Admit you're confused.
I'm confused, yeah,
Because all you've ever known of 5-second trades, I mean, I used to win a lot, but then there's been nights when I just blow it with 5-second trades,
But dude, I think every time you've blown it with 5-second trades, it's been because of your math. It isn't because you lose that.
That's
many.
true. Yes, that's right. Whenever you've looked at my history, I've never lost more than 25 tries without
Yeah, and
winning.
you always win like 8 and 9 and 10 in a row. You do.
I do,
Like tonight,
yeah.
you won 10 trades with only one in the middle that was a loss.
Right.
Like you had 11 trades, 10 of them were wins, one of them was a loss. That's like a 95% win rate.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, yeah, you go through losing streaks, but dude, I don't know. There's something about this that, like, if I can keep you on track, I mean, I would be okay with doing 5-second trades every night. Like, it would be better.
Well,
for
you'd
me.
have to be because tonight they saved our butts.
Yeah, I mean, I think 30-second trades are my game, and I think I'm really good at them. But I mean, I think you're pretty good at them too.
Sometimes they just don't work. I mean, they can win and they can lose like anything else. It's just a matter of
Yeah, I mean, sometimes, yeah.
You have to be fluid because in this game there are no absolutes.
You're right,
And-
dude. There are some
and-
days that I have, like when I'm trading, when I keep texting you every day, and like, yeah, I won. A lot of those days I moved a minute and a half trades. I just have
Right.
to because I'm losing so many trades by like 1 second that I'm like, dude, this is going down, but it keeps popping back up and making me lose. So I'm like, I'm just gonna wait till it pops up, take a minute and a half trade, and then I win it. And I'm like, so I do adapt. I mean, the 30-second trades, they either work really well or they don't work. I don't know.
Right.
It's hard to tell. Maybe that's how we'll win this game long term, is just adapting with the skill levels that we have. Like,
Well, we're kind of going to know if we're just getting burned by one particular method. We'll switch to a different time frame.
and we have 40, and that's the thing about it is now we have 40 chances. I mean,
yeah,
so
we
if-
got a little bit more out of my comfort zone than I wanted to go. I didn't not want to go to an $8 level.
dude, you were
yeah,
at the
that-
$16 level, bro. You were at
Oh,
that point
crap.
where you should have been at the $16 level. Like
Yeah.
at that time, I think I just was getting ready to tell you you're gonna have to start making $16 trades.
Yeah.
And then you started making $8 trades and winning them with the 5-second thing. Because what did you get down to? Were you down to 250 or 240? You were down
yeah.
there. Yeah, you were into the $16 level, bro.
Yeah.
Where I was about to tell you to switch over to $16 trades.
And that's pretty scary, but then 5-second trades to the rescue, right?
I don't think we should go that deep again. I honestly, I don't think we should. If we're losing that bad on 30-second trades, we should probably just try something else.
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, 10 or 15 chances, dude. If we're not winning, that's the other thing, dude. Here's the devil of this, dude. If you're not winning in 30-second trades, if they're not just coming easy, I just don't think you're gonna win them.
right.
I mean, the way I've been winning on the hard days is by, I'll admit it, I've been doubling up, and I've been making 1 to 2 minute trades. Because the 30-second trades just keep burning me, and then I'm like, you know what, this just isn't working. And so I'll double up a trade, and then I'll take a 1 minute trade or a 2 minute trade, and I'll win them, and then I'll be like, okay, I get the flow of this. And I've been able to do that because I'm by myself, and I'm just kind of getting a feel for it. But like together, it's kind of a lot to Okay, well maybe go to 2 minutes. No, yeah. It's like I just look at it and I think, okay, I know this chart's going down. So as soon as it pops up again, I'm taking a 2 minute trade and I'm just gonna see if it wins. And
Yeah.
then when I do, then I'll do that. And at the end of that 2 minute win, if I think the chart's now finally moving down, like you know how we're waiting for it to break out and it doesn't, 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 and then I'll send it. So by the time the 2 minutes is up, dude, the chart's probably already breaking out. And then I go back to 30 seconds and boom, boom, get my other 2 wins on it. So I'm just fluid with my time frame.
Yeah.
But I don't-
And plus, when you're like alone trading, you call like 1-900 help me trade, and the lady
Yeah.
on the end of the phone is like, take a put.
Like take a put. That's what I do.
I didn't say it was in India, but okay.
I
We're
was
not
trying to do
trying-
I was trying to do Amalia's voice, but I don't know. She's like,
Oh, Amalia.
she's like,
yeah.
I took a put and it was a win.
I think they're Russian actually.
Oh yeah, I took a put. It was a big win. You should take one now.
It'd be and then you would lose.
Yeah.
She doesn't give advice that works.
You should take a put right now. No, that's good. That's in the money.
Liliana and Amalia, yeah.
They just I
Do
really
they-
wish it would have worked out between us. You know, I at one time, dude, I thought is it. At one time,
I hope
thought,
you mean with trades. I mean.
yeah, no, dude, what is it? Liliana, is she's the lady trader, right?
Yeah.
One time I thought Liliana was my ticket, dude. I mean, she's the one that inspired me to start this.
And until you
Uh,
started reading the comments and everybody's like, she
yeah.
lost my money. I just.
Dude, I thought the first time we ever signed up for this, I thought, dude, Liliana's gonna make us money. We told my family, like, yeah, we're gonna follow this girl. She's gonna make us money.
Yeah.
And then, dude, I followed her, and every time I did, she would lose all my money, and I'd be like, dude, she would lose like $100. I'm like, dude, what the heck?
Yeah.
I mean, I really thought me and her were gonna, go far together.
She just blows trades, dude.
She just blows money. Yeah, dude. I don't get it. Every time I follow her, I lost money. And I'd followed her like 3 or 4 times. Remember, I'd call you and be like, no, I'm following Lady Trader. And you'd be like, dude, that's stupid. And then the next
Yeah.
day I'd call you and be like, dude, she blew my account.
Yeah.
But then on her YouTube channel, she'd be like, oh, I'm making so much money.
Yeah, but she's really not.
I don't know what they're doing. All I know is every time I followed them, I even followed Amalia for a while, and she's a little more stable, but most of the time my account would just be like going downhill every time I'd follow them. Maybe if I followed them,
Anybody can come in and get lucky and win 3 trades and be like, okay, that's it for the day. And if you're taking $100 trades, well, you just made some nice money there. Okay, anybody can do that. And we come in some days and do nothing but win 4 straight trades and say, yep, I'm calling it a day. And if you're taking big trades like she is, well, then that's a profitable day. But then some days she'll come in and just like lose, 5 trades and be like, oh, I lost $5,000 trades.
and then she would tell us on Telegram like, oh, it's a really rough day today. Like every other day is like, oh, it's a really rough day. Like
Yeah, rough market day. We'll do it again tomorrow.
that'd
Okay.
be hard to do, man. But I still think they should just be honest and be like, if you follow me, you're probably gonna lose money, but at least you
Yeah.
won't have to do it yourself. That's what I would say if I was her. You follow me, I'm probably gonna blow your account, but you'll probably blow it too. So why not just let me do it for you? And that way you don't have to stress out about it.
Exactly. Then you can go on, just being hopeful and thinking that,
Well, you could. I mean, if you had a lot of money, you could put $5,000 in there and just be like, I'm following Amalia, and then like at the end of 2 months, you might have $5,300, or you might have 2,000. I don't know.
or you might have 0.
You probably have 0, dude. Because she'd probably keep reloading and keep blowing and reloading and blowing and reloading.
She'd probably blow your whole account before you'd ever get time to, Yeah, I just don't think you'd see a profit.
Okay, where's my... Oh, man, dude, my surplus bank is so good now.
You're welcome. Dude, you should just commit to trading only with me. Don't try this nonsense by yourself, dude.
Because, dude, I've got a $333 surplus, and I'm on level... Because mine are days. Mine just go up every day. I'm on level 86.
What do you mean yours just go up every day?
Well, I have my chart. If you want to look at it, I'll show it to you. Let's see. My
What
chart
level am
is-
I on? What level am I on?
You're on like 71. Here's
How
the
are you
chart.
ahead of me?
Well, I started a long time ago before you. Remember, I started way before you.
Right, but if you keep going from there,
See, look at my chart. It just tells me like 7/21. So these are dates. So like this date right here is 7/25. That's tomorrow. And it's really level 86. So, I mean, I'm not changing these dates. I'm just going up. So what I'm doing is one day I'm going up one level a day. So if we made more money, like we made more money today, that just goes in my surplus bank. The extra is just going in a surplus. So I'm just riding up one day at a time. My profit need for the day.
Hey,
is,
can you pull up? I'm just curious. Did we ever lose 5 in a row, like 5 trades in a row?
Oh
I'm
yeah,
ju-
for sure.
I think we did. I just want to know, like, did we do that early on?
Yeah, for sure.
Would
You
we
lost
have-
like 8, 9, 10 trades in a row, dude.
No, not tries. I'm talking like actual trades.
Oh, that I don't know.
I'm talking like if we were doing a 5 deep martingale, would we have lost today?
I can't
pull-
imagine that we would have won doing that, but
Pull up your. I'm just curious, and I'm not saying. I'm not even suggesting we ever try that. I'm just wondering, like, how
do you
bad did.
do it?
Pull up your trade history just on your account and share your screen.
Trading
I
history.
mean, I guess I could just pull up mine and share it, but
Hold on, I want to look at trading history. Here, I'll share this one. What's this?
how are you sharing me? That's me, right?
Yeah, that's you.
You're not logged into me though, are you?
No, because your screen is part of something that I can share. When I hit share.
So you want me to go to history and then?
No, I'm at the history here. Let's go back to the.
Are you at your history or mine?
I'm at my history.
Okay. All right.
So let's see here. All these copy trades. Okay, we started here. 1 loss. There's 2 losses. 1 loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losses in a row.
Okay.
Right away in the first part of the session, we would have blown it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row. That was the only time. Then you had 2 losses, 2 losses, 2 losses, 2 losses. Let's go back previous. And then you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses again. You suck. 1 loss, 3 losses, 4 losses, 3 losses, 1, 2, a tie, 3 losses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. You lost 5 trades in a row, like multiple times.
Mm-hmm.
But some of those, yeah. And then at the end, you won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with only 1 row and 1 loss in the middle.
Yeah.
But you fought, dude. I owe it to you tonight. You fought your way up from a really bad spot,
Mm-hmm.
which makes me think
Switching to an old school method, you know, it's almost like it almost felt like one of those movies. You know, you ever seen the movie Crossroads with Steve Vai?
yeah.
You know, and Steve Vai just like totally kicks his butt in this guitar duel using like shred technique, and then Ralph Macchio's like, okay, and then the dude with him's like, yeah, it's over, and then he reverts back to some classical piece, is Paganini's Fifth Caprice, and he, you know, which was actually played by Steve Vai too. But anyway, so then he like plays that, and Jack Butler, Vai's character, is like, wait, what's this? You know, and then he can't do it. It's like, you know, it's like when you reach into some old school technique that you've kind of given up on.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Well, I guess you just reached down there and got you some old tapping from back in the day. Where'd you
Dude, that was exactly something out of a movie. Like, I just went back, like, just pulled up this method that we were like, oh, we got to quit doing that. I went back to it and just totally brought us back in the clear with it.
I like how you didn't tell me it either.
Huh? Yeah, I didn't even tell you. All right, I'm going to 5 seconds.
Had you told me, I would have absolutely forbid you to do it. I would have been like,
I can't
would've been like,
reveal
heck
all
no.
my secrets, dude. But now you're all the more surprised. I mean, you're just like totally flabbergasted that I did it and it actually worked.
Well, I mean, dude, honestly, I know. I guess I know your 5 seconds work. I think I've always known that, but for some reason you were losing real bad with them last month, and you kind of quit, and then you were winning with 30 seconds. I think we're gonna have to be fluid, bro.
You are.
We got 40 chances. I think we're just gonna have to be fluid because honestly, we know how to win. And our math, okay, we've hacked this math so hard that it's going to be hard to lose. So if we
Unless
just,
you do it alone and you're being stupid.
yeah, I mean, I was stupid. I just did some stupid crap, you know. If you're doing that, then you're probably going to lose, yeah. And if you do, dude, if you were doing 5-second trades alone, you'd probably already blown your account because that's what
Yeah.
you do. But with me, they're just telling you, like, this is your next trade. This is your next trade. When you get a big disappointment, I'm like, okay, no problem. Go back to 4, and you just do it. You know, you're focused on one thing, winning those trades. You're not worrying about the math and trying to figure out. Because when you're alone, you're like, oh, maybe I should take a $10. Yeah, I think I should take a $10. And then you're like, okay. No, it's like you psych yourself out with all
what I
kinds
used
of.
to do, okay, what I used to do was, with this chart that only requires you to make 2% a day, I would go in with 5-second trades, and basically, I'd win, then lose a couple, then win a couple, and I'd kind of go back and forth in a very safe amount. Given because I usually would stay within that daily allowance of like
Right,
6%. Okay, well, then basically, I would wait until I hit a streak of wins that then sent me over by 2% and say, okay, done, stop. And so really, 6% is about the end of our $2 level, isn't it? It's about the end of tier 1, I should say.
Probably, yeah.
So, you could do it that way too if you wanted. Instead of trying to get 3 in a row, you could just go for straight wins and see if you just win 3, because I didn't used to compound and I won a lot, but I didn't have this to say, well, okay, now that you've blown 3%, now you're just going to go for compound. So you could kind of do a hybrid if you wanted to.
Yeah. You could just in the beginning, you could just win more than you lose, and if you do, then you're fine. But
because we wouldn't always have to get 3 in a row right away if we did it that way. But it just depends. I'm good either way.
I think compounding is still better because you lose 3, you win 3. You lose 3, you win 3. You lose 3, you win 3, and you're never going to get ahead. You lose 3 and you win 3 compounds, then you're way ahead.
Yeah.
So I mean that's what I think. I think if you just stick with the compounding math, you're going to hit these 3 series wins. It is a little more dangerous but you might spin your wheels a little more, but making profit is harder when you're not compounding. I mean, if you're just trying to win more than you lose, I guess you're right, because you would hit a winning streak. Like you hit that winning streak of 10 wins. I mean, if you hit those 10 wins, as long as you weren't, and you wouldn't be real down real far, because you'd be just spinning around within that $4 or $5, and then when you hit that $10 winning streak, you would have had all your profit, like for sure.
Exactly.
You never would have went to the 10 because you would have had your profit before that. You probably would have won 7 and been like, all right, we're done. So I see your point, because you wouldn't get down this far. You'd probably just spin around a lot, and then when you hit a winning streak, you'd probably be done.
Exactly. That is my point.
I could think about that, because I mean, you're not wrong, because you win, you lose, you win, you lose, you win, you lose. But if you get down, you'd have to go to that second tier. Then would you have to start compounding at that point? You kind of have to, because now you're down $10. So in order to get back up, you've got to hit a compound.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean that's true. At the first tier, the first 10 chances. I mean, you can pretty much spin your wheels all day.
Yeah.
Unless you lose 7 in a row. But even that, you're only down. You're still in tier 1. You haven't even lost all your money yet. All right, well, that's it for tonight. I'm wasted, man.
Me too. I'm going to bed, dude.
All right, good night, everybody.